Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you have admin rights or the account password ready because some changes require elevation. Once ready, open Settings, press Win+I or click Start then the gear icon. From Settings, choose Network and Internet. This section groups VPN, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. You do this now so the next steps are immediate, no extra navigation. Make sure the VPN entry is visible in the left column. That's the control point you'll act on next. Now focus on the VPN list. Click VPN in the left pane to display configured connections. You can select a profile and press disconnect to stop the current session. Disconnecting preserves the profile for later. If you want it gone, pick Remove. This deletes the saved configuration. For third-party VPN apps, open the app and use its disconnect or exit command, then right-click the system tray icon to confirm it stopped. Once done, verify the status reads Not Connected. Finish by verifying the VPN is truly off. Settings should show Not Connected or No VPN Entry. Also glance at the system tray for any remaining VPN icons. If a disconnect fails, open Task Manager, find and end lingering VPN processes, then try disconnecting again. Make sure to restart the network adapter, Settings Network and Internet Status Network Reset, or reboot the PC if connections act odd. One key tip. If the VPN reactivates on startup, disable its startup entry in Task Manager to prevent automatic relaunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.